Hello, hello, and welcome to In a Nutshell. Today I'm going to show you something different. Here in Piracicaba there is this underground reservoir. It was built in 1887, 1886. Like 130 years ago, and there is like this classic neoclassic style architecture and beautiful, and it's an underground reservoir, as I said, and they emptied it. Yes, it's empty now, and they open for visiting, so you can just go there and check it inside, all the architecture and everything, because it's empty. It hasn't been empty for 30 years. I think 30 years ago was the last time they emptied it. Of course, I think they emptied it for maintenance, any kind of maintenance, and it's a must now here in my city, in Piracicaba. Everybody's going there to visit, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the architecture inside. It seems like a very nice place, very nice. Let's see, let's check it. It's here, very close to my house, so we are almost there. And it's open just for 15 days, and after that it's going to be closed again. They're gonna fill up with water. Here's the place. So I have to go inside there and check it out. There's some specific time for you to come and visit, in just 15 days, and this is the place. Yes. Anyway, here, done. Today we are here in underground reservoir of Piracicaba. It's been here since, well, I think it's 130 years old, and they had never taken the water out of this place. It's the first time, so nobody has never been here in this place. And as far as I understood, this is the first time that this place has no water at all. I don't know why exactly they did that. They took the water out for cleaning, maybe, I don't know, but it's the first time in 130 years that they did that, and then it became a very famous place for people to come and visit. But it's just for 15 days. They're probably going to fill it up with water again soon enough. Anyway, that's the place. Interesting. Underground reservoir of Piracicaba.